an introduction to how to format an MLA, and specifically using the iPad to do it. I know that there's a template out there for you to use to type your documents into, but I want to show you how to do it from scratch so that if you are typing one out, you could possibly do that. And you're going to need to do it for today's lesson. So the first thing that we need to be aware of is that MLA style guide format. So it should be typed on white 8.5 by 11 paper. So we can set that up in our layout tab. So the size should be set at 8.5 by 11. Everything should be double spaced and use 12-point Times New Roman or similar fonts. So we can do that from the Home tab. So we can see that this is set up to be Times New Roman 12-point font. And we can set our paragraph spacing up here at the top by touching the paragraph spacing button. And we're going to set our line spacing to 2.0 or to double space. We are going to leave only one space after punctuation, that is new. And we're going to set all of our margins to 1 inch on all sides. So we're going to go up to our layout tab and set our margins so that they're top 1 inch, bottom 1 inch, left 1 inch, right 1 inch. Okay, let's talk about the heading at the top. We need to have our page number and our last name in the upper right-hand corner. So we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to put our page number in. And we're going to put it in the top right-hand corner. And we're going to type our name in front of that. That's the tricky part. And then leave one space. And then that will put our name and our number in all of the documents. Okay, then we can come out of the header. And then we're going to format this with our first and last name. Our teacher's name. The subject that we're writing this paper for. And then the dates. This can be formatted in different ways, so ask your teacher how they want it. This textbook has us do the numeral first and then spell out. So it would be 16th of June and then the year. Okay, so that takes us to the body of the paper. We need to center. So we're going to go to the Home tab, our title. So we're going to go to paragraph again, and we're going to center this and then give the title of the paper. Let's call this Technology Report. Okay, you can see that I've already have the body. I used the template for the body. I just wanted to be able to show you that without having to type this all out while you're watching me. So you'll notice that the first line of the paragraph is going to be indented. Okay, we can do that on the iPad by going to paragraph. And we can use a special indent to do that. And we can hit first line, and that will only allow us to indent the first line. You'll notice that there are no extra spaces in between paragraphs. All we do is indent the first line. And that should get you started on how to type an MLA report.